In this video, I'll show you how to create bulleted lists in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. To get started, I've got a simple list of fruit with each item on a separate line. To turn this into a bulleted list, simply select all the text, so we're going to select all the fruit, then go to Home at the top of the ribbon, and we're going to look for the paragraph group, which is this. From here, we're going to select the bullets. Select it once. As you can see, Word instantly converts each line into a bullet point. But what if you're creating a list from scratch without any words? To do this, it's very easy. Simply again, select the bullets at the top. That'll insert one bullet. Then start writing your list. So, apples. Once you want to move to your next item, you press Enter on your keyboard and you type in your next item and so forth. Then, once you're happy with the items in your list, you're going to press Enter on your keyboard twice. If you want to change the appearance of your bullets after you've written your list, you can do so. Double select them and it will highlight each bullet point. Then go to the top and select on a downward arrow. Then navigate to the one you want. I'm going to select this one. And now they've all changed. If you want to change the style of the bullet before you create the list, then click on the downward arrow next to the bullets, select the one you want, and there it is, and you can start your list. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you'd like to learn other formatting tips in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.